Get ready. Whoa.
Let's go.
Over there.
Is that big?
Yep. Let's see another one. Put it on there real careful. Don't let it get cut. Because if it gets cut, it won't work.
How about that?
A little more. Push it down. Just push it down careful. Okay. All right, now big jump on that purple thing. Oh, try again.
How high was that?
Not very high. Try again. There you go. Hold on. It's bent. We want it to go straight up. All right. Whoa.
So this makes fire.
We don't make no fire. It's just air.
What if it did make fire?
Push it down. You excited being 5?
Yep. I'm starting having this.
Huh?
I started having this.
Whoa.
To me, that looked like it was in space.
It looked like it was in space.
Yeah.
Wow. How high do you think it went?
All the way to space.
Okay. Make it go big time.
Is that high?
That was pretty good. Here, let me try one.
Okay. I will just put it
Oh, you gonna put it on for me?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2,
two,
1.